Here you can see the common North American red squirrel enjoying a pine cone on a fallen tree, but his dinner is interrupted by the sound of an intruder. The intruder is a pileated woodpecker searching for carpenter ants deep beneath the surface of a fallen tree. Red squirrels, being highly territorial, will do whatever they can to get the trespasser out of their territory. The squirrel moves in, hoping to scare the woodpecker out of his territory. Upon seeing him, the woodpecker flares himself up to make himself larger and scare off the squirrel. The woodpecker has successfully scared off the squirrel, meaning he can stay in this area until he's had his fill of ants. The squirrel, on the other hand, removes himself and watches from a tree. He will have to wait.